All right, we're gonna do a quick walkthrough of the Hyper Tough 2-drawer cart. There's really nothing super fancy about it, but for a DIYer in a basic setup, I could see making use for this. So it's got your basic, flip top. It opens up. You got a couple struts that you can lock into place if you want to do that. Metal top. You got storage up top. Basic stuff. You got some pass-throughs. I've got some pry bars and stuff in there. Nothing much. Come down to the first drawer, which is narrow, probably wrenches and stuff. I got some dynamic and some of the capris in here. I need to get another one of these strips over here so I can do the capris as nice as the dynamics are set up. And then on the second drawer, it's a little bit deeper. We got some sockets and stuff, some more dynamics. We got some of the Hyper Tough. We got, I think those are capris. Those are capris as well. This one some company sent me. I don't even know who makes these, but I like them. Nice little pistol grip, spring-loaded, cushion grip on it. Probably taking up way more space than they need to in their little foam thing. Got some ratcheting wrenches down here. All this, it's lockable if you need to, but you're gonna use this in a home environment. You're not gonna be using this in a professional shop. If you need to lock it, I don't know. That's up to you. Oh, and of course, it's got the handle on the side. It's got the wheels that roll, the casters that lock and everything. One negative I'll say about this is this lip here is the rolled edges are not rolled very hard. And if you run your hand down there, you will cut yourself. So be aware of that. All right. You saw the brief overview walk around of it. I mean, there's only so much you can show on a cart. But that said, let's compare it to what else is in the market. It's kind of, I want to say a saturated market, but it's an established market. There's a lot of people making carts out here. You can find them at Harbor Freight, at Home Depot, at Lowe's, at Menards, Ace, all sorts of places selling carts, but we're going to talk about the ones that are probably the most popular ones in this kind of target range. Now, first off, we got to talk about the US General. That's the 5-drawer cart, the classic. It's now available in 9 different colors, and it's about $280. And for what you can purchase at retail and not off a tool truck, it is probably, I dare to say, the best built one out there right now. Then we talk about the 4-drawer cart from Harbor Freight. It's kind of stepped up into that price point that the 5-drawer has elevated out of. It's coming in at $230 when not on sale. And you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors on this one. No plum crazy purple yet, but again, it's a solidly built, good looking cart. Then Harbor Freight used to have a Yukon. They had a 2-drawer cart called in the Yukon brand. I don't know what happened to it. I haven't heard back from them as to what's going on with this, but it was $160 on sale. You'd see it for around $130, looking very similar to the cart that I've got in the shop right now. Now, Husky does have a 2-drawer cart, but I would say it's not as well built, even as much as this Walmart one. I mean, if you look, it doesn't even have the side rail on it. It's really kind of wobbly and flimsy, if you ask me. And it's coming in at $220. Now, everyone else, if I look at other places, they're the same or they're more, so that's why I didn't include them. So when we're talking about this, we've got the Hyper Tough coming in at $100, $99. It's not even $99 and change. It's just $99. 28-inch steel mechanics tool cart, 500-pound capacity, powder coat finish, and it's a good-looking cart. Now, I'll say, if you look at this, it shows it with red liners in the cart. Mine did not come with the red ones. That would be kind of a nice little contrast. Mine, it does have liners in it. They're black. I would love to have seen the red liners because that contrast when you're looking into a black cart and it's dark, and so I got my flashlight in there, so I guess I could shine around, but it would just make it pop out more. I guess I'd kind of like that, but I'm not gonna, for a $99 cart, I'm not gonna lose sleep over it. So you tell me, if we're looking at these prices, I mean, granted, the 5-drawer cart is nice, but it's $280. Not everyone needs a 5-drawer cart. Not everyone has the budget for a $280 cart. Even when it's on sale, it's not that much cheaper. It might come down a bit. The 4-drawer cart is nice and has kind of stepped into that, but even it's come up in price. You got, shipping and tariffs and the whole 9 yards. I'm not going to get into the politics of retail sales, but fact of the matter is, it is what it is, and that's the price. Now, if you're looking at a 4-drawer cart for $230 versus a 2-drawer cart for $99, I mean, for the home gamer, seems pretty good. I do say it does have a little bit of that kind of slice me kind of metal on it. Maybe, I don't know, maybe you could pound it down a little bit on the side so it's not, because the flanges kind of come out like, I guess like a 45-degree angle. If it was more rounded down, it wouldn't be such an issue. You can take a file to it. You could put some rubber on it or something. You could do things, or you could just not grab it like an idiot and slice your finger off. So it's not that sharp. I've seen carts that are way sharper. Can we say Craftsman? I'm looking at my Craftsman right here that I'm really upset with. Considering the price on the Craftsman, and it is, I'm just feeling it's a sharper edge on it. That just ticks me off. Anyway, there you go. Let me know what you think. Are you game for a $100 cart from the new HyperTough? They've got the new impacts. They got new hand tools. And I got some more stuff coming from HyperTough. We got one of those little old school Craftsman style stacked toolboxes. We got a folding tool cart. And I got some impacts and the new toolboxes. We got those too. So stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out any of this. If you're interested in this, I'll put a link down below. Go ahead and take a look at it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on. And don't give me any comments about my beard. It's cold and the static and the stuff is going crazy and it just will not stay in place. I don't know what's going on.